Welcome to the full course online. In this video we will explore how to create PowerPoint slide. Creating a presentation in PowerPoint is simple. When you launch PowerPoint, you'll see the Start screen. Here, you have two main options. 1. Blank presentation. This gives you a fresh, empty slide deck to work with. 2. Templates. These are pre-designed slides with themes, fonts, and colors already applied. To create a blank presentation, simply click Blank Presentation. PowerPoint will open with one slide, usually the title slide. If you want a ready design, choose a template. This template is not downloaded yet, so we have to download it from Microsoft. And the PowerPoint will automatically load this slide with a consistent style. You can also create a new presentation anytime by going to the File tab, New, and choosing Blank Presentation or Template. That's it, you've successfully created your first presentation. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to save and open presentations.